So I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Pajama Walk. Start by visiting pajamawalk.com, and then you're going to click register. There are two ways to sign up. You can either sign up as an individual, which means that you're walking on your own, obviously with everybody else who's joining the walk, but with no family members. The other option is to sign up as a family, so that you and your spouse and your kids or your parents or whoever else is in your family will walk together as a group. I'm going to show you for now how to sign up as a family. You're going to click the register button, and there are two options. You can either create an account, or you can click already have an account. That's if you've joined us in the past. If you've joined us in the past, you'll click there, and it will already have your information. If you're not sure what your password is because it's not saved, you can click forgotten your password, and it will send it to you. I'm going to show you how to create an account. You'll start by putting in your first name. Then you will go through and you will put in your address. It's going to automatically create a fundraising page for you, but you're able to set your fundraising goal. It shows you the different options of what you can earn by fundraising. So for $100, you earn a limited edition cap. For $500, you earn a portable speaker. If it's $1,000 or more, you can earn a blanket or a Stanley Cup or a sweatshirt. I'm going to leave it as $500 for now. Keep on scrolling, and it allows you to join a team or create a team. I'm going to click join, and I'm going to start typing in a name, and I'm just going to use an example of a team that's already created, team name. And you'll notice I didn't remember the exact team name, so I started typing in what I remembered. If you want to create your own team, you can click create, and you can start by typing in your team name. It allows you to choose your fundraising target. Then you can choose whether you want others to join your team. If you choose yes, then it will add a button which allows anybody who visits your page to join your team. If you want to keep it just to your family or just to individuals that you ask to join your team, then you can select no, and you'll have to send out an invitation to join your team. Once you decide, you will scroll down, you'll read through the terms and conditions, and then next. Now you're at the next step. There is optional merchandise that you can purchase. You can purchase a walk shirt, you can buy a wristband, or you can buy a pack of wristbands. If you would like to skip this, you can click skip. You can always go back afterwards. For now, I'm going to skip. Now it allows you to add family members. You can add a child, or you can add an adult. For child, it will ask for their name, their last name, and their shirt size. This doesn't guarantee that they get a shirt. That will have to be purchased, but if they fundraise enough, this lets us know what size they'll need for their hoodie. Then you can add another child. First, you have to add one child before you can add another. You can scroll down and you can add an adult. Difference with adding an adult, it allows you to add a separate email address for that individual. If you do that, they will need to opt in once they receive an email. That will activate their account. Otherwise, you can choose, I wish to manage this account, and then it takes away the option for them to need their own email address. For example, if I want to put in my spouse, I'm going to write, and then I would need to put in their email address, their phone number, and their shirt size. But if I decide, no, it's okay, I'm going to take care of all the Pajama Walk stuff, I will click, I wish to manage this account, and then I will just put in their shirt size, their phone number. That allows me to continue with my registration. So for now, I'm going to delete this add a child. I'm just going to put in name of the other parent. I'm going to click save. Then I can add another adult, or I can add another child, and I will go on to the next step. If I'm not sure who I'll be walking with or which of my family members can come, I can always skip this and come back to it later, and I'll show how to do that as well. So I'm going to go on to the next step. The last screen is for an optional donation. And I can kickstart my fundraising by making a donation of my own. I can use one of the predetermined ones or add in another amount. If I click next, it will bring me to the credit card processing information screen. For now, I'm going to click no thanks. On this screen, it allows me to update my profile picture. I can upload a file by clicking here, and it allows me to choose from what I have on my computer. I click next, or I can click skip. For now, I'm going to click skip. Then it allows me to share my page on my social media. Again, I'm going to click skip. It allows me to add email addresses of my friends to invite them to join me. And then I click complete registration, or I can do skip, and that completes my registration. Now, this is my personal page. If I scroll down, I can see my updates. I can add an update. It also tells me who's on my team. I have Walker Parent and I have Other Walker Parent. I can add images of me training or of me trying on my favorite pajamas and choosing which ones I'm going to wear, or putting out a yard sign, or all sorts of things. Now, this is my personal page. If I scroll down, now I'm going to click my team page. So this is my Walker Family team page. And if I scroll down, it allows me to change the title of my team page. It allows me to change the text. It also shows my team members. As I get donations, it will show my sponsors.